mahirap sagutin yung tanong mo, pero I'll give you a scenario. If may Viva Max nung panahon ko, at sakto naka-survival mode ako, meaning wala akong ibang source of income, wala akong ibang opportunity na pumapasok. Because that's how I started from scratch talaga. And wala pang masyadong traction sa social media. Not everything na inilalabas na movie is recorded or viral or whatever. Then maybe wala akong choice. But I would say I will regret it kasi hindi ko talaga siya gustong gawin. And I don't think kailangan ko siyang gawin. So, hanggang dun lang ako sa pa-sexy because I know that's part of my job as an actress na you can play around with roles. Pero showing your private parts is a different story. Sa mga nakagawa nun, I salute you guys. Bilib ako sa lakas ng loob ninyo. Wala ako nun. So, yeah.